This is me. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to another day. Today it's Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday, the 14th. I'm here to install my hair, Kesana. Sinwele from Mafaku Ezi. This is a package. Look at this, guys. Ungayidla. This is gorgeous. I'm sure Nenwele is Pagati. And then Nwele Zaki is Puma with this. Thank you card. Thank you card. And then it happened again. It will be personalized into oifunayo. Mine is written saved makoti. You know? Saved makoti. Oh my god, I feel so special. And then this is my hair. Guys, when we talk about quality hair, never. This is the hair, guys. As it says black hiwe, zableachwa, satwantwan, yebo. Ukuzithi what lace. Thina nto sithi what lace. Yeah. Zokwenza lonto. Because the term mna ndifuna zithi what lace. Ndla ngova abantu besithi what lace. So yeah, guys, but you add money for it. So this is the hair, this is the hair. But in Nizosbona, I'm gonna install it. Nizosbona, Siyalephuza, guys. You see? Siyalephuza. Look at this. Look at this. Mazenze le nto inwele. Guys, let me install. I'm gonna show you le nto bendithetha ngayo. Goodbye. I love this. I love this. I'm gonna put it. Show you guys my install it, then I'll show you. Bye. I am back. Yo. I want to know let's let puza is ngena nasemilonyeni. Guys, like nazi ke izinwele. Nazi izinwele. We have installed them. Here's what? Look at this, guys. Look at the quality. Let me take off this. They are plugged, they are bleached. So yeah, and you add money for that. So that they can give this look. 80. What lace, honey? What lace? What lace? Tell me. Guys, Naz Inwele. I'm on Instagram. You can find them under, let me show you. Where's my phone? Under Zana Beauty and Hair Emporium. Under this. Don't yeah. Under here. On this name, guys. If you enjoy Zana on Instagram, so the number is on the bio. On TikTok, Zana. Number is on bio also. If you're Bonnie, you can drop a comment and then I'll give you the number. If you're around Tata, she is also available for installations. Installation and knit. There are no edges up, like nothing, guys. This is what we call installation, a clean one. Bye-bye, guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day, guys. We are on our way to Queenstown, my husband and I. Umgidi ngomso, yeah. Umgidi ngomso. Ne sister a friend yam iyachata. But I think I'll just go and peel a veg namhlanje and then tomorrow ndimgidini, because ababomgidi sikhonza nabo and they're also like family, don't friends. So yeah, sisencobo ngokwegarage ekhaya ke guys. So ndizochana siyadlula. So yeah guys, and same I'll put my picture for the outfit because I'm just on Bonisa, guys. So I'll just put a picture. Papa Yeni can. Who's a noble upper guys? The last garage. Sambianik. Zumbara bara bara. Hi guys. Specifically like in Google. We got delayed because siqale ekhaya eNgcobo. Yeah, siqale ekhaya eNgcobo and then khona sifikayo. Guys, azinhle zinwele. They're so soft. You should buy this hair, guys. So siqale eNgcobo, so khona sifikayo. The time now is 7 o'clock. So khona sifikayo. Kukwami la. So yeah, guys. Bye-bye. Let's see each other tomorrow. Tenzele ne outfit yam, designer yam, Musa. Tenzele umbhalo. But you'll see it, guys, tomorrow. What I can say is I'm gonna look cute. Bye-bye, guys. Singing Pagati, I'm a happy girl. Sabe corner, so yeah. Bye. And simply, man. And forgot next guys. You can say I'm not on a skincare routine. Time saying do tambis like Nivea. Blend your problems in ben. And find makeup, go and foundation, go and next. I guess it's the blood of Jesus. Papa in the Sanazam. Good morning, everybody. Today it's Saturday. Yeah. Today it's Saturday. Gigwami. So we're guys. Sesenze iti. Now the Bilisa is to you guys saw is to Samus. Is to makoti. Singabina zikapa. Singabina nix. On a chance, let's talk about my face. People. So yeah, guys, since it's to and then is cleaning the dining room. Naga and the time to clean. I love to cook. So we're getting into it and then just do it. And I go here clean now. And Tibano cleaner, guys. Yo. It's okay. So today is Saturday, minimum gifting. Parents are down. A few parcels that I need to send. A pep. I'm going to go and send those parcels. And then, yeah. Never so by late I'm getting. So we are waiting. So yeah, okay, guys. Baba Yini for now. I wanted to greet you. That's late, but we are here. Enjoy. Here's my aunt Isam Dazzle. Guys, so speak here. We are here. This is my friend. Name Kumuna was baby shower. Yeah, baby will come in. This is how my sister mine here. Go up, Lizabazan. And enjoy it. Hayla. God, guess what? Let me show you others, okay, guys. Umchana mlona uzinga. Omhleka khulu ichomi yakhe leyo. Hey guys. Hayla. And this is Mrs. Hope Niyamazi, guys. We just had to do. Niyamkhumbula mas. Effortlessly beautiful, this one. And this is Zamer. Decorate, guys. I'm gonna show you the decor. So if you need a decor, she is your girl.
Oh, sorry.
She is your girl, guys. If you need a decor, a blessed one. Show me. Busy with the child. Oh, don't worry, Chom. It's the child they know. But no, hi, it's Bazar. Guys, Papa in, so you're going to entertain. Could you buy in? Could you buy in? Outfit I'm from. Yeah, come on the phone. You buy me Ganjali, yes, Kuba Ganja. This is me. Yeah. Papa in Sienten. Chum is Bazana. Yaba, eat close anyana to the Zibazana. Close onion. Papa in, guys. Sienten. Hi guys, I had to show you this beauty. Guys, I'm the wrong. I'm guys, yes, turn around. Yes. Sister, what color? Guys.
Yes, guys, please follow me on my TikTok channel.
Please.
At Fela with 4 A's at the end. Yes. And
4
please,
A's.
Yeah, 4 A's. And please follow us as well, guys. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please. Never post a tutorial.
Guys, like it's that time. The moment. Umgidi. It's too child. It's too 8. So now, guys, so I'm plate and then see.
Yeah.
Bye. Back off. Mama zala wami lo nggogo lona wasenkonzweni. Yeah. Kumamaki, mama unofema we. Sisi wami ke lona bethuna bathi bayabukela ku YouTube. Yes, sistandos. Man buka. Yes, sistandos. Mana ubukela. Yo. I must go to Kenya ngoma. Yo. Nangu lo bhuti uthenga imoto cash. No deposit. Moto entsha shot umfazi ke ngoku. But yeah.
No, yes.
Angathenga imoto entsha qaqa.
Usendleleni la sisi.
Bekumandi manje ukubona ntwana. Mfundisi. Mfundisi ukhoda goodbye. Uvelile. Timolweni YouTube. Mayibongwe. Hi guys. I just want to say thank you so much for taking your time watching this vlog, for subscribing. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and engage. Yeah, if you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. I am so tired, guys. I'm gonna close this vlog. The dinner. I'm so tired. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I love you all. Bye. May God bless you. Enkosini isithando zami. Mandungwana uyanithanda. Chiphela na igrave yami. Mandungwana uyanithanda, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.